Hey loves, so welcome back to another Clean With Me. In today's video I am doing a power hour clean with me. Now I did want to do one of these because I wanted to see how much I could get done within an hour, and I'm not saying that I get it all done because I have a lot of laundry that I'm backed up on, but I did get a good portion of my cleaning done within the hour, and I thought it was really fun and it's very motivating. So yeah, I hope you guys find some motivation, and I guess we're hopping right into this, aren't we? What was that laugh like? Come on now. Okay, so as I said, I am really backed up on laundry, so this is what I'm going to start with. So I am just separating the colors and the darks and stuff like that. I'm not too anal when it comes to yeah, I said anal, okay. When it comes to doing, like, washing my whites separate, aside from the new, like, white towels that we got, because those need to be dried on a low setting. But other than that, I'm not really too fussy about separating my whites. I don't know, is that bad? But I had over, I think, like 5 loads of laundry to do, so that is just what I'm gonna do right now. You are longing for you more than I want. How could I not when I keep thinking of you, and it takes me back to night, takes me back now. So the first thing I wanted to wash was our mop pads. We use the reusable ones. I was kind of thinking about getting like the old-fashioned type of mop, but I don't know. My husband doesn't really want one of those. But yeah, I'm just going to wash these first because I plan on mopping the floors tomorrow, but you'll see later in the video that I'm going to sweep. But yeah, this is all of the chaos, you guys. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to start in my bedroom. I wanted to make my bed first thing, and then I was going to head downstairs in a little bit. But because I was doing the laundry and everything, I figured why not just start up here. And to give my video a little bit of a change, because I always start in my kitchen. So yeah. So as you guys probably already noticed, I did get a new quilt set. It's more like a coverlet. I got this from Target. I think they were having like 15% off when I bought it. I will link it in the description if you guys are interested. The one thing that I am not fond of is the smell that you get when you buy it. It's like a factory, like new product, chemical type of smell. And it's not Oikotex certified, so my husband wasn't a huge fan, but yeah, I really like it. I like how it was very simple, but it still had a pattern, and it's really lightweight, which is perfect because our room gets really hot, and here in Georgia it's like really stifling and like just so humid. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's really hot, and I don't know why, but for some reason I feel like all master bedrooms are pretty hot. I don't know, every master bedroom I've lived in, it's been pretty warm compared to the rest of the house. Do you guys feel that way? So moving into the bathroom, it did need a little wipe down, especially the sink area, because, well, it gets dirty. I mean, hair product spraying and stuff like that, and just my husband likes to use the charcoal toothpaste, so it's like black everywhere all the time. He knows I don't like that toothpaste, but he likes it, so yeah, it really just needed a wipe down because literally there's like black spots everywhere. So I'm just giving this a nice little scrub, and then I'll probably, I think, yeah, I do clean the mirror. Like second guessing what I'm doing here. But one of the things that has changed, like for decor wise, is I'm taking in my husband's, like, what he wants, you know, like what he likes as well. So God, I swear I feel like I'm all over the place, but we're going for like a boho beachy feel versus like the farmhouse boho. I mean, I do still have some farmhouse style in my home, but that's kind of what we're leaning more towards now. I don't know, I feel like I fell out of love with farmhouse style. I don't know if it was because it was so saturated here on YouTube, and just, I don't know, I feel like boho is just more me. I just love the way it looks. So I do still have some Farmhouse pieces in my home, and I'm not going to remove those, but yeah, I guess you can say it's Farmhouse boho slash beachy. So crazy, right? So many things. So moving on to the mirror, I'm gonna give that a wipe down because there was some splatter and stuff. Now moving on, I am going to clean our bathtub. Now this is not a space that me or my husband uses. This is mainly used to wash our dog. Now I think I mentioned before the reason why we don't take baths in it, and if I haven't, it's because we're both like 5'9", so we're kind of big, and this bathtub is very shallow and small, so it's just not like the comfiest thing to just like sit and relax in. So it's mainly just used for our doggy. So I just wanted to wipe it down because it had a lot of like dirt and stuff, and it just needed to be cleaned. Just, you know, I like cleaning. So once I was done with that, I went ahead and grabbed out the laundry from the washer, and then I went ahead and I think I threw in another load, but I just got out my mop pads because, like I said before, I will be mopping I think tomorrow, and then I just threw whatever was left in there in the dryer, and I'm gonna start another load, you know, as you do. So this is one of the detergent brands that we use. It's always like 7th generation because it's like natural, and it's for sensitive skin because I have very sensitive skin. So after I was done cleaning, starting the washer and all of that, I went ahead and moved downstairs. Now this place is not really a disaster, but to me it is. I don't know, everyone's view is different, what's considered really messy or just a little messy. So I had to take out the trash because it was trash day, so I made sure to do that. And this is funny, I didn't even know my dog was roaming around like that. Like once I was editing and I seen her, I was like, oh, hey, what was she doing? But she's always looking for crumbs on the floor. I'm like, But another thing I like to do is wipe down the inside of the trash can, and I'll just use my Mrs. Meyers basil spray, and it just keeps it smelling fresh. And this is not something that grosses me out. Like, I know there's some people, or maybe a lot of people, that get really skeeved out by cleaning toilets and stuff with their bare hands, but not me. It doesn't really bother me. So yeah, because I have been slacking, because I haven't been feeling well, I was behind on a lot of things. So I needed to unload my dishwasher because I totally forgot. And so actually, I did not load this dishwasher. This is actually my husband. My husband did the dishes, so because I was sick, so I couldn't do it, obviously. So I'm just unloading what he loaded in the night before and putting that away so I can go ahead and load it with new dirty dishes. Yeah, let's get it. Oh, the fun part is collecting all of the dirty pans. We had quite a few actually that were dirty, so I needed to wash all of these out by hand. Can't throw them in the dishwasher. I think these are actually dishwasher safe, but I don't know. Maybe. I'm not sure. But we didn't want to throw them in the dishwasher, so I always wash them out by hand. So I'm just pretty much going to clean this up and let you guys watch me do that.
Like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh.
So after I am finished washing and putting away everything, I go ahead and hand dry the pans because it says in the manual or whatever when you buy them that you should make sure that you dry them afterwards. I don't know. I think it was something to do with ruining the coating and stuff. So I always do that right after I wash them. So that's what I'm doing. So basically, I'm just going to be picking up everything off the counters so I can get the counters cleared off and I can wipe it down. That is one of my biggest pet peeves, is when my counters have stains all over them. I don't know why. I get like major OCD and like I get angry, you guys, like no joke. If my counters are covered with a lot of stuff, I just need to clean it right away. I don't know why I'm like this, but I like my counters to be very clean and just everything put back into place. So I think that's also probably why I enjoy cleaning, like wiping it down so much. I don't know, I sound like a freak. Probably am. So I am pretty sure that I've mentioned this before, that every time I clean my counters or every other time that I wipe them down with Mrs. Meyers or anything like that, I do like to go back over it with a wet washcloth just to get off the extra excess product from Mrs. Meyers, because I feel the like stickiness and product buildup when we rest like our palms and stuff on the counter, because we do eat at the counter quite a lot. If not, it's like in the living room in front of the TV at the coffee table. We never sit at this dining table like ever. Speaking of which, I am really wanting to get rid of this, you guys. I just don't love it as much anymore. I'm trying to go for more of a wood style, and I just haven't been able to find a more affordable one. So yeah, I'm just hoping that in the near future I can get a different table. So yes, we are moving to the catch-all kind of spot, which is the console table. This is where everything just seems to get set down. I don't know, I just always put stuff here and then my husband's stuff, and it just gets pretty chaotic. So and it's something that always needs to get picked up every day because it's, like I said, it's catch-all. So I'm pretty much just picking up everything and putting things away. And finally, this video is almost a wrap. I am giving my coffee table a wipe down because this area gets so dirty. It always collects dust. And yes, you guys, I did do my wall. I actually didn't paint it white. I realized I didn't need to paint the wall white in the first place. So yeah, it's crazy that the upstairs was a complete fail, but you know, live and you learn, right? So yeah, that was pretty much it for that. I totally forgot. Oh my god, I totally forgot that I had to sweep. So yeah, I guess I am sweeping the floors. Seriously, you guys, I'm so rusty already. But I needed to sweep because I did mention that I am mopping tomorrow. So I haven't swept in, oh my god, how long has it been? Maybe 5 days or something. I don't know. Like, even if I sweep every day or every other day, there's just like so much dust and dirt built up, and we don't wear our shoes in the house, so I really don't understand like why there's always so much. I think I'm gonna blame it on my dog. I swear, because she does go outside and stuff. But yeah, I'm just going to sweep up the floors, and then I think that'll be a wrap after that. So I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos. I actually am gonna try and do a Monday and Wednesday and Friday schedule. I really want to be more consistent with my videos, and I feel like that's where I lack. So I'm gonna try my best to be more consistent, because I mean, I don't like it when I watch YouTubers that are not like the ones that I like to watch, and then there's no upload, you know. So I feel you guys. I'm sorry. I'm working on it, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation. I hope you've been enjoying these videos, and please take a second to consider subscribing to my channel, becoming a part of the fam, and don't forget to leave your thoughts down below and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.